Well, 8 ways to grill chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Here we're talking about direct grilling chicken right over the coals or right over the gas.
Yep.
No safe zone, no 2 zone.
There's no need for it.
Fill the grill with chicken. Boneless, skinless.
Yep.
I'll tell you, this is one we did a couple of other times where we did batch grilling, which is a really smart thing. This is like a pallet. I mean, it's pretty much of a mild pallet when you're taking the skin away.
It's a vehicle for flavor.
I like how you flattened it out. That was something smart too.
So now we're going to prep some boneless, skinless chicken breasts for the grill. Pretty simple procedure. Just basically going to remove some of the fat, and then we're going to flatten them out so that they cook evenly. Chicken breast is, by nature, it's thicker on one end, thinner on the other, and so by flattening it out, we're going to allow it to all cook at the same rate and come off, and you're not going to have one end of the chicken breast all dried out, one end raw. So you take your chicken breast, put it in a Ziploc bag. If you've got some plastic wrap, that'll do fine. You don't even really need to have anything. It's just the Ziploc bag makes it a little bit easier. Using a mallet, I like to use the flat side, not the dimpled side. I'm not really looking to tenderize this chicken. It's already pretty tender. So I'm really looking to just flatten out the fat end and make it the same thickness as the thin end. And there we have a chicken breast with a very similar thickness from one end to the other.
This is where you've got to have your thermometer and you've got to stay on it. But by flattening it out, you don't have that thick end and thin end.
That's the thing that I recommend that you do, because generally speaking, when you get these boneless, skinless breasts, they're really thick on one end and they taper down really thin. And so you're going to have the thin end completely dried out and cooked before the fat end is cooked. So by taking it, put it in a Ziploc bag, take a bottle of wine, or if you have a mallet, just flatten that thing out, get it an even thickness, and it's going to grill much better for you.
Right. And in this case, fill it up and then save it for salads. I mean, that's what we do all the time with Susan. It's like, there's our dinner and there's tomorrow's lunch.